right, so let's get a round of applause for Karina. Alright, so thank you, Karina, for sending in your Igbo name of the day request. So I asked Karina to describe herself for me and talk to me about, you know, her background, her family, her relationships, you know, things like that. And one of the things that she said that stuck out, because a lot of Igbo names have a lot to do with circumstances surrounding your birth. You know what I'm saying? Like the meaning of your birth and the symbols around your birth, right? The symbology and the things that happened around the time of your birth. And so she said that when she was born, her mother didn't have, you know, a very encouraging family situation. Wasn't like the easiest family situation. And so she was kind of nervous about being a new mother, right? So, but Karina said that when she was in the hospital, or when her mom was in the hospital,